cut everything to size right now. It's gonna be a 3-tier. For now, it's gonna be small, medium, large. I like the way it's coming out now. Alright, so now we're building a 3 to 4 tier lantern. I'm doing this as well, from pallets. Now, I'm still debating whether I do 3 or 4 tiers, depending. I just want something simple, but not too complicated to move around in case we have to move it. And just to make it look nicer, but I'll go with 3 tiers for now. And my next step was to add some glue to these pieces of board. That way I could get the angle that I want.
Yeah!
Well, this is what we got now so far. Do some wood burning. 3 tier, that's perfect. It's beautiful. I like how it looks right now. Alright, fellas. So this is the finishing product already. Looks pretty nice.